What's up, YouTube? It's NC Maxima guy back with another video. Working on my my glove box out of my 5th gen, my 3.5. I had the airbag recall, so I go in to get the airbag recall fixed, and my glove box got broke. The little door latch got broke. If you can see that. Let me see if I can get a better view. You can see this. My latch got broke right there, the little plastic part. That was okay. But this one got broke. So basically gonna swap it over. Swap the whole door over, so it'll be good and it won't sag. You know, I saw it as soon as I got in the car to leave, and I was like, nah, man, I gotta go back and get this checked out. Let them know that it wasn't like that when it came in. So they gave me a replacement. They ordered me a replacement door. I got the pins. It's 2 pins that come with the glove box. So I got 2 of those. There's 2 pins. It's on the back of the glove box. Let's see. Let's go right here. One's here. And one is on the other side right here. So I got those 2. It's part number. And I can probably just use my the ones that's already up here, because they're not broke. They're not damaged. But I got to basically remove these two door pins. Gotta remove these 2. 1, 2, and I'm going to have the tension cable here to allow the door to come back up and not just fall down. I'll have to pop that out. You slide a flathead screwdriver or something under here and pop that out. And let's see. And I'm basically going to take off the lock cylinder and just switch it over. I'm going to switch over just this part, because on the new glove box it already has a whole door latch and everything. So I'm going to just switch over the little lock cylinder here. It's real easy, real simple. I'm gonna put y'all down so y'all can see what I'm doing. This out. Just pull these out. They go in like this. Just pull one out. And just pull this one out. Set those to the side right here. And we're gonna take something and pull this up. So this is the little cable that holds the tension. So I don't have to take this off because it's on the box outer shell, the glove box outer shell. So I'm just gonna pull this down a little bit. And I pop that out. See, this comes right out. It goes back in there. So I'll leave that hanging up there. See, this is the outer shell. This is the part that got broke. See, this is the part. So the box would just be dangling here. See that? that goes up there. Like that. So this one is good. So this is the box. And I'm going to go ahead and take off the I'm going to go ahead and use a Phillips screwdriver, and I'll take off the lock itself, and just have, let's see, let's get a small Phillips screwdriver. Just have one. It's right here. So I'll take this off. And I could just swap this over, but I'll show you the new box. Well, I got this right here. Just was held on 2 screws in the back. So got that there, put that to the side. And I got new glove box. It's a new glove box. So I could just swap it over if I wanted to. Could just swap this right over to be good to go. I'll just pull this off. Take my key. It's in the unlock position now. So I'm gonna just take my key. So you got that off. So now I can put this in that position. So then you have to take that off, out the hole. And I can take this. See, this has a brand new box. Has good clips. Brand new box. Good to go. It's fresh, brand new. What I want to do, I want to place this part over. It goes right here. Then we take this tension cable, put back in there. going to press down our box, and we can take our new pins. We can take our new clips, and we just put the new clips. See, once you got it in here, you pull the box up, the door up, make sure it lines up with the hole. Just going to stick this in there, push it in, be good. Same thing on the other side. Make sure the door, the glove box door, is pushed in the shell. And we're going to take clip and this one. Oh, no, that's another clip here. We're just going to push that in there. Alright. So I got the clips in on this side. On this side, they fit pretty good and tight. And the door, everything is lined up good. Looks good. It's in the unlock position now. See that tension cable keeps the door from just falling down by itself. See that cable? And that's how you change the door. Of course, it's in the unlock position. You have to put your mount back on. So when you put your mount back on, you know, after you put it in the car, you'll see this is the spot for your light, and that's the spot where your airbag harness is just going to stick in. You do not have to unplug the airbag and all that. You'll see the whole unit just sticks in these two little holes here. Then once you start putting back the glove box, that'll go in there. See, that'll be for your door latch, your lock right here. But that's how you replace the door, the glove box door on your 5th gen. And hope you liked the video. Remember to like, share, subscribe. If you got a video request or something you want to see me do, or something I'm working on, I'm always working on the car. So if you just want to see more videos of what I'm doing to the car, just hit me up. You can message me or hit me up on Instagram, NT Maxima guy, or just put a comment down below the video and let me know. Appreciate it. Thanks y'all for watching. Check y'all out later.